All right, here we have a 2012 Dodge Avenger. We got the alternator. There's the part number. Got it from O'Reilly's. Got the 2.4 and the alternator's down there. Down there. Now, I'll put you on the tripod and let's see if I can videotape all this and get you step by step. We can get you information how to take it off. All right, be right back. You gotta move the belt, so you gotta move the tensioner. Dodge 15. Let's get a 15 range. Not a 15, it's a 60 millimeter. What's up? Huh? Happy Thanksgiving, man. Alright, yeah, I gotta go to my brother, but thanks, man. Thank you. Alright, you too. Okay, man. memorize how the belt's gotta go. You need to put it back the same way. Alright. There's a pulley down there you have to take off to be able to take off the bottom bolt from the alternator. There's an idler pulley. Also. Unplug the battery. Took off the negative terminal on the firewall. Now we're gonna take off the connector, tool, clip on, tool. Cut the cover for the connection in the alternator. Looks like it's gonna be a 13 or half. Disconnect the wire. Now we take off the bolts that are holding the alternator in, which are 13s. Let's see what we have. This will be one bolt right here, and then the other ones are all the way at the bottom, which I'm not able to take you there, but it's in there. So we're gonna take off the 13, this one, and that other one is you can also see the new one, the new alternator. You only have 2 bolts, one shorty and one long one. One long one. So we're taking off the long one right now. Or actually we're taking off the shorty right now. And we're gonna take off the long one. It's gonna be at the bottom. Alright, now we're gonna put you back in the tripod and we'll go from there. Alright, this is what we have here. We gotta take off the alternator, we gotta take off the power steering pump. We got 3 screws, if I'm not mistaken, they're in here. And I believe those are 14. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is where we're at. Unplug this one here so you can take it off. 3 screws. 2 small, one long. One long goes on the bottom part. Long one. And put the power steering to the side. And hopefully it'll come out right now. We'll just have to maneuver that thing in there. To make it easier, instead of messing around with this, we just gotta take this bracket off. You gotta take off that idle pulley there so you can get to that bolt right there. And this thing should come off. I'll have another screw at the bottom, which we'll take off. Should be 13. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here it is. When I put the belt. For the belt diagram, if you have a hard time putting it on, just look up the year, model, engine, and they'll give you the diagram of how to do it. I already put it on. I already hooked everything back up. And that's it. Now I just gotta start it up. I had the light battery on. The little red battery was on. So let's start it up. First start up. The battery's dead. So let's jump start it. Let me get get a jump start on it, and we'll go from there. From now. Alright, so here we got the car running, the battery light. It was right here. It's off. Normally when you have the light, 100% of the time it's the alternator, not the battery. So if you ever come across, you have a battery light, it's a charging system. Charging system being your alternator. You need to replace that, not the battery. Alright, so this is how to replace an alternator on a Dodge. See, it's running now. The battery was dead. I had to jump it. One of the boxes here, that one was dead. Now start. I'll just let it run for a minute. Let it charge up the battery because it was driving just with the battery alone, so it kept on dying. And before I jumped it with the box and I unhooked it, and it will die. So that's one of the hints too. You have a bad alternator. So there you go. Thank you. Hopefully this video was helpful for somebody. Let me know anything in the comments.